Have you ever held eye contact, then felt your soul try to escape through your knees? Yeah, that. Two men say the exact same words. One gets respect, the other gets talked over. Two men, one room. Well-dressed, confident smiles. A woman walks in. She nods at one of them and casually walks over to say hello. Surprise, it's not you. The truth, you're not alone. The difference, eye contact. Done right. Eye contact works, okay? We've all learned that at some point. But not how to truly use it, and you're probably doing it wrong. Here's why it matters. At work, eye contact decides if they respect your point or talk over you. With women, this decides if you're the alpha or just another guy doing the nervous nice guy blink blink. In groups, it decides if you're the guy people listen to or the guy people interrupt. So today, we're fixing it. You're getting 5 eye contact hacks that gain extreme confidence and power, and that presence feels actually dangerously strong, not creepy, not possessed, not CCTV camera with emotions. Clean confidence, real attraction, the power of calm strength. The goal is for you to outsmart 90% of men with mechanics. All right, hack 1, manage the exit, the every time upgrade. Here's the first rule that upgrades you instantly and anytime you want. Never break eye contact by looking down. Down is not neutral. Down is my bad. Down is please don't be mad. Down is you're above me. And watch how sneaky this is. You're not even trying to submit. You're just checking your phone, looking at your hands, glancing at the floor. But the brain reading you doesn't care about your intentions. It cares about your signal. So what do you do instead? 3 clean exits. Look slightly to the side, look slightly up, or look past them for a beat. This is like you're thinking, not escaping. Side says, I'm still here. Up says, I'm not pressured. Down says, I'm shrinking. People read downward gaze as lower status in social hierarchy cues, even when you don't mean it. Next time you're talking and you feel the tension rise, fight the urge to look down. Do a calm side exit, then return. If you remember only one line from this entire video, remember this. Down is submission, side is neutral, up is unbothered. Where to use hack number 1. Meetings, negotiations, first impressions. Anytime you feel judged, we're not to overdo it, don't turn into a statue. Eye contact is not a staring contest, but you have to manage your exit. Hack 2, sticky eyes. Hold 1 extra second. This is where confidence starts to feel visible. It's called sticky eyes, and it's stupidly simple. When you finish a sentence, hold eye contact for 1 extra second, then peel away slowly. That's it. Most men do the opposite. They finish a sentence and instantly look away like they don't believe what they just said, or like they're waiting for approval. That's why even good points land soft. The extra second changes the whole message. It signals, I'm certain, I can handle your reaction. Try this in a conversation. You say, yeah, I can do that. Most guys look away immediately after that. Do sticky eyes for 1 extra beat, then peel away calmly. The other person feels it, even if they can't explain it. Warning, because I love you and I want you to stay employable. 1 second, not 5. 5 seconds is not confidence. 5 seconds is a strange documentary about you. Where to use? Anytime you make a point, anytime you set a boundary, anytime you're flirting and you want to feel grounded, try it out. It feels illegal. Quick cut, you're on a date. The vibe is good. She's smiling, you're telling a story. Then your eyes keep breaking down to the table like you're reading invisible subtitles. And she doesn't even look mad. She just starts checking her phone. That's not because your story is boring. It's because your eyes are signaling, I'm not fully here. So before we talk attraction, remember this. Confidence is presence. Your eyes go first. If you've been losing respect, losing attraction, or getting talked over, it's probably not your words. It's your signals. And the hacks from here get spicy. Because now we're not just fixing confidence and control, we're flipping attraction and dominance switches that most men don't even know exist. Hack 3, the attraction switch, context only. Now we move into attraction. And I need to be very clear, this hack is for flirt or romance situations only, not the office, not a work meeting, not with someone who's uncomfortable, not with a stranger who didn't invite the vibe. We're building attraction, not catching cases. Okay, hack number 3 is a controlled attraction switch. The clean version is eyes, lips, back to eyes, not aggressive, not rapid, not thirsty. Think calm curiosity, your timing, hold eye contact 2 seconds. Briefly glance at the lips for half a second to 1 second. Return to eye contact. That lip glance creates tension because it communicates interest without saying it. And then returning to the eyes says, I'm confident enough to hold you there. That's your eye contact move that makes her emotionally hooked without realizing it. It's not manipulation, it's calibration. Next time you're on a date or talking to someone you like, use it once, then go back to normal eye contact. Don't spam it. This move is so powerful, it sticks. Hack 4. Anchor eye for dominance in tense moments. Hack number 4 is the one that makes you survive the next moment someone tries to test you. Picture this. You're in a meeting. You finally get a clean opening and you drop a strong point. Simple, logical, undeniable. Then a senior guy leans back and hits you with the quiet status test. Are we sure? Not loud, not rude, just enough to see if you fold. And your words are fine, but your eyes dip. To the table, to the laptop, to your notes. Half a second. And suddenly your authority leaks like a punctured tire and something in your head got scrambled. Now you're negotiating your own value live in 4K. So here's the counter. Anchor eye. Pick one eye to focus on, left or right, and stay there when tension spikes. Don't bounce between eyes. Don't flick to the mouth. Don't do the nervous scan. Anchor, breathe out. Slow blink, then speak. Stillness is dominance, not loudness, not anger. Stillness. Picture this. Someone interrupts you mid-sentence. Instead of racing your words, you pause. Anchor eye, don't look down. Then you say slowly, "Let me finish." And you keep the anchor for one beat after. That's how alphas reclaim a room. Warning, don't do this with rage energy. Do it with calm energy. We want composed, not, "I'm about to throw a chair." Hack 5. Hunter eyes, the illegal Polish. This is the one that makes everything else feel unfair. Because confidence and attraction aren't just about where you look, it's about the energy in your eyes. Here's the problem. Wide eyes signal fear, surprise, uncertainty, even when you don't mean it. Hunter eyes is the opposite. Relaxed eyelids, controlled gaze, slow blink. A calm, heavy presence, not sleepy, not bored, just grounded. Think of it like this. Prey eyes are wide and reactive. Hunter eyes are calm and selective, proud and strong, even when you don't feel it. Especially in a challenging situation. How to do it. Relax your forehead. Slightly relax the upper eyelids, like you're looking through someone, not chasing them. Use that "I know something you don't" look. Breathe out. Slow blink once. That combination says, "I'm not nervous around you. I can handle you." Warning, very important. Do not pair this with a dead face. Add warmth when needed. Otherwise, you'll look like a villain in episode 1. Here is a micro drill, 10 seconds. Stand still, relax lids, exhale slowly, slow blink, hold, that's it. Do it before meetings, do it before dates, do it before tough conversations. Your aura follows your eyes. The 30-second eye contact protocol. Now, let's make this beginner's proof. Here's your 30-second protocol. Use it every day for 7 days. Step 1, hunter eyes, relax lids and exhale. Step 2, make your point. Step 3, sticky eyes, hold 1 extra second. Step 4, exit side or slightly up, never down. That's the core loop. You'll feel awkward for day 1. By day 4, people start treating you differently. By day 7, it becomes your default. And the funniest part, you won't feel more confident first. Other people will respond to you like you are.